How to reverse video in CapCut. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to reverse a video in CapCut. Whether you want to create cool effects or add a unique twist to your clips, this trick is super easy. So let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and create a new project. Select the video you want to reverse from a gallery and tap Add. Your video will now appear on the timeline. Once your video is on the timeline, tap on the clip to select it. Now, scroll through the tools at the bottom and look for the reverse option. It's easy to spot. Tap on it and CapCut will start processing the reverse effect. This may take a few seconds depending on the length of your video. Once the reverse process is complete, play back your video to see the effect. If it looks good, you can leave it as it is or combine it with other tools like speed adjustments or filters to make it even more creative. And that's all there is to it. Reversing a video in CapCut is super simple and adds a fun touch to your edits. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.